I'm here again with another studio tour. Today we're going to be at Salon d'Arts, and I don't know what to expect because I've only heard a little bit about this place, but I'll get to show you what's inside very soon. I'm really excited for this. It seems like this place is actually a converted home that they turned into a studio and decorated everything to the T. Some parts are available for shooting and other parts are just for staff only. So I'm going to show you all the different photo sets. As you can see, I've already completely unpacked, so please ignore the mess that's in here. But you can see that this room is actually the dressing room, but it's also a great little photo shoot area with a vanity, a bed, a giant teddy bear, little decorations, a full-length mirror. And they also have a closet full of shoes and little accessories that you can use. They have everything you need, from shoes to collars to ears to little like decorations for the top of your head, like these gothic Lolita. I don't even know what these are called, but they're so cute. Here's the main photo shoot area. There's so many different corners of the room that are perfect for anything, any kind of photo shoot that you want to do. The lighting in here is super amazing. I really love how everything just bounces off like with the light. And you can see that each corner of the room is specially decorated for different situations, but it's just kind of got this really like light, fluffy gravure style that is really popular here in Japan. And here is a really beautiful mint colored room, very Rococo-esque. Rococo is super popular in Japanese like aesthetic. So you can see right here, it's like very gothic Lolita, like perfect for sweet Lolita, perfect for lingerie. And then on this side of the room, we have kind of like a darker theme with the black chair. This will be perfect for more like a gothic kind of look to it. Every inch of this room is completely decked out with aesthetic. It's super cute. There's little things all over the place. You can tell that they went really above and beyond to give this place something special. Even as far as like the ceiling and the molding is like thought out, very decorated. Every single room has a chandelier in it, like a little crystal chandelier. It's so aesthetic. And then up here they have this little terrace rooftop that is completely decorated with grass. It kind of looks like a hidden garden, and there's actually a really beautiful view of the surrounding area. So here's the costume rental book where you can rent the lingerie that they have. And I rented 3 of them. One of the really great things about this place is that you can rent lingerie from their catalog. Each lingerie set is about 3,000 yen, which equates to almost $30. I think it's super worth it. This place also came with a mannequin, so I decided to put my near automata dress on it, just for thematic purposes. I did really love that it was just the 2 of us in there, because then I can shoot however I wanted to and feel really comfortable. You can bring up to 10 people with you, which is really great if you have a big group and want to shoot together. You can book a session through their website. I'll link in the description down below. This is my second look, a cute blue bunny. One of my favorite things about this studio is that it's actually mostly artificial light. Some of these windows are real, but this entire back wall over here is all artificial light. So you don't have to worry too much about bringing your own light sets. The studio is located southwest of Tokyo, so I would recommend giving yourself ample time to commute in the morning. You can book anywhere from 3 hours to an entire day, and they have different rates depending on the day of the week. An important thing to note for anyone who wanted to rent the lingerie: the underwear is for purchase only and not for rent, so make sure you budget accordingly. They're about $10 per panties, which is actually pretty great because they're super good quality. You should also let them know ahead of time if you plan to rent out any of their lingerie sets. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or if you think I missed out on any information. I would love to do more studio tours like this in the future to help out different cosplayers. And that's that for this studio tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. I hope to do more studio tours in the future, so it'll benefit all the cosplayers and other models out there. Alright, see you later. Bye guys.